Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Liam, and in today's video we will talk about the country called Indonesia. So Indonesia is a very large country. It's a very big country. And in today's video, I will talk about two cities. The first city is currently the capital city called Jakarta. And the second city is going to be a city called Bandung. Okay, so in the first photo, we can see the national monument. So this is the national monument and it's called Monas. Monas is a very popular tourist attraction and very popular with the local people in Indonesia. As you can see here, there's lots of people in the photo. There's lots of people. Okay, and this person here, this woman here, is having a photo taken in front of Monas. It's very large. Okay, and in the next photo, this is a very popular cafe. The cafe is called Cafe Batavia. I think it's called Batavia. Okay, so as we can see here, there's a woman having a photo taken of her outside Cafe Batavia. There's people standing, and over here, there's two people sitting down outside the Cafe Batavia. And on top of the Cafe Batavia writing, we can see the flag of Indonesia. So we've got the red and the white in the flag of Indonesia. In the next photo, let's have a look at the next photo. So this is also very close to Cafe Batavia. This is in the old town in Jakarta. And we can see there's water, there's buildings, there's very beautiful buildings, there's cars parked on the side of the road over here. So we can see the cars parked on the side of the road. There's some people, and we also have some plants. So we can see the green color here, and also the red color of the plants here. It's a very beautiful place to visit when you're in Jakarta. The next photo. So this is a photo of the cathedral in Jakarta. It's a very, very nice, a very beautiful cathedral. And we can also see there's lots of trees. So there's lots of trees and the cathedral in the background. There's also a bridge, so you can walk across the bridge and you can visit the cathedral. It's very beautiful, very, very good. In the next photo, so this is another photo. There are people playing football. So in this photo, we can see people playing football. So there's a lot of people here. We can see the ball. There's the ball here. There's people. And then we also have very large, very tall trees. The trees are so big. But then we have a very, very tall tower also in the background. It's very nice. I think it's a good place to play football. And in the next photo, this is a cafe. So this is a very nice cafe. There's people sitting down, drinking coffee and tea. And then we can see a band. So the band is playing live music. We can see we can see a singer. So she's singing, and we can see a guitarist. He's playing guitar, and another guitarist. So it's very interesting. And then in the background, we can see somebody playing a keyboard. It's very cool. I like it. And then in the next photo, this is very interesting. So this is a very fast train. The train goes from Jakarta to Bandung. So it's a very high-speed train. I believe it's one of the fastest trains in the world. So when I arrived in Bandung, as you can see here, this is a street. It's called Braga Street. It's very beautiful. We can see flowers, we can see trees, there's cars driving down the road, there's people walking along the pavement, or in USA, they call this the sidewalk. So in UK English, so British English, we call this the pavement. In the US, they say the sidewalk. Okay, so you can use whichever is easiest for you. And then we can see lots of different shops. So there's some shops that sell food, some shops that sell clothes. There's lots of shops on this street. It's very good. In the next photo, so this is one of the buildings. It's a very beautiful building. So it's a white building, and you can also see it's like a brown color roof with the white, and then you have the flag of Indonesia along with some trees. There's very tall trees. And then at the front of the building on the road, we can see a man driving a motorcycle down the road. And then here we can also see these are called traffic cones. Okay, so they're the color orange and they are traffic cones. It's very nice. I think this building was built by the Dutch when they came to visit Bandung. There's a lot of Dutch style buildings in Bandung. And then in the last photo, this is a market. So as we can see here, there's lots of food. And there's lots of people at the market. This woman here, she's using her phone. And then this man here is wearing a backpack. So this is a backpack. So it's very nice. I like this market. There's lots of good food and it's a good atmosphere. I like it very much. So I hope you enjoyed looking at some of the photos from Jakarta and from Bandung. And in the next video, I will talk about another amazing city in the country of Indonesia. So comment down below which photo was your favorite. Did you like Monas? Did you like the train? Did you like the Dutch building in Bandung? Which photo was your favorite? Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon for another video. Goodbye.